Myself D. Siddharth.
Myself K. Nikhil, and it is a model of the rainwater sensor, and we are going to explain about the model of the rainwater sensor, and it is the rainwater sensor, and it is the buzzer, and it is the Arduino. These both are connected to the Arduino, and the Arduino is connecting. We are going to connecting the laptop. If there is no rainfall, the monitor will show the not raining. When the water is dropped on the sensor, the monitor will show automatically it is raining. If there is more rainfall, it will show the flooded. It will show the flooded. And it is mostly used to the farmers to detect the rainfall, and they can also detect the when it is going to flood it. Thank you.
The farmers easily know when the rain occurs, and the buzzer will automatically on. The buzzer will ring. So the farmers easily know when the rain